Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. I'm doing a quick review and just show you a little bit about this Elgato CamLink 4K capture card. So what is a capture card? Basically, it takes the information from your either from a computer or a camera or a phone, whatever it is, and gonna go into here in the HDMI and come out USB 3.0. It takes the information, digitizes it, and makes it into basically so you can see it on your computer. That's what it does. It's a capture card. That's exactly what it does. Made by Elgato. Been using it for about a year and a half now, with really no issues. So if you're in the market for a good quality capture card, I definitely recommend the Elgato CamLink capture card right here. This is fantastic. I use it all the time. I'm using it, like I said, religiously, and never has an issue whatsoever. I absolutely love it. The quality, and you can see here what it looks like. It's made out of this the plastic housing, just so you know. Here is the back of it here, so you can see the back of it. And also, all in all, quality and stability. It does come with an extension cable. It comes nicely packaged in a nice box. I just wanted to make this video to show you exactly what this looks like and give you a nice close-up so you can see the Elgato CamLink is the way to go. Appreciate your time. Hope you enjoyed this quick review.